Made of polycarbonate thermoplastic material to provide durability, flexibility, and resilience to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Heat and fade resistant to temperatures over 100 degrees, which protects them against discoloration and fading over time. Flammability UL94, V2 rating. Easy replacement of any wall plate of the same size. Outer dimensions are: height, 4.68 x, length, 8.30 inches. Inner dimensions are: height, 2.65 x, length, 1.36 inches, each opening. Smooth finish without recessed lines and soft edges allow for easy cleaning. Screwless cover for added child safety, 1 year, UL listed. Top reviews from the United States. Very durable and easy to install, good quality. Not much to say about a backplate, but I like these work very nicely.